Welcome back to Automobile's Car, where the road meets innovation. Today, we're unveiling a vehicle that blends the practicality of a minibus, the power of a utility transporter, and the soul of a city cruiser, all packed into one machine, the 2025 Toyota Bajaj 25-seater. A vehicle born out of collaboration, innovation, and precision engineering. Imagine the rugged reliability of Toyota fused with the economical brilliance of Bajaj, coming together to create something not just for today, but for the future of mass transportation. Whether you're a fleet operator, a school transport provider, a city shuttle service, or a business owner, this minibus is engineered to redefine how we move people across towns, cities, and communities. So buckle up as we dive deep into this 2025 marvel. From design to engine, from seating to tech, every inch of this beast tells a story. Let's begin with the first impression, the exterior. The 2025 Toyota Bajaj 25-seater isn't just a van, it's a statement. With a bold grille, LED strip headlamps, and modern aerodynamic curves, it doesn't just look good, it looks powerful. The elevated ride height gives it road authority, while the wide stance ensures stable performance, even when fully loaded. You'll notice dual sliding doors on either side for easier entry and exit, ideal for high passenger turnover scenarios. From the front bumper to the rear-mounted tail lamps, it's clear this vehicle was designed with both functionality and aesthetics in mind. Now step inside and be ready.